If you've ever published a book on Amazon KDP and wondered why it just sits there with zero sales, you're not alone. Most KDP authors pick niches based on gut feeling, wrong categories, guessed keywords, no idea why a competitor with fewer reviews is outselling them. The problem isn't your writing, it's your research. And that's exactly what KDP Radar was built to fix. Think about what it takes to seriously validate a niche today. You'd have to manually check bestseller rank, count reviews, estimate sales velocity across dozens of books. That's 5 to 10 hours per niche. And if you turn to one of the big competitor tools, you're paying $47 to $99 a month for features most KDP authors will never even touch. Introducing KDP Radar, the market intelligence tool built specifically for Amazon KDP publishers. It pulls live data directly from Amazon, so you can validate any niche, see real competition levels, estimate monthly sales, and know exactly how many reviews you need to crack the top 100. All in under 5 minutes. No spreadsheets, no guesswork, just answers. Start with the niche finder. Type in any keyword, say gratitude journal, and instantly see an opportunity score, average price, estimated monthly demand, and competition level. From there, keyword research shows you the exact search terms buyers are using on Amazon right now. You get autocomplete suggestions, bestseller rank estimates, and estimated sales per day, per book. You'll know what to write before you write a single word. Want to reverse engineer a competitor's success? Paste any book's ASIN into the ASIN Lookup tool and see the full picture. Price, bestseller rank, estimated daily and monthly sales, and review count. The Reverse Keywords feature shows you the exact search terms driving traffic to their book. And with Bookfinder, you can filter Amazon's entire catalog to surface hidden gems with low competition and steady sales. Before you publish, the royalty calculator shows you exactly what you'll earn for ebooks, paperbacks, and hardcovers across all Amazon marketplaces. Plug in your target price and get an instant breakdown. And with saved research, you can bookmark any niche or book you discover. Then export everything to a spreadsheet with one click. Your research organized anytime you need it. Here's what makes KDP Radar a no-brainer. Right now, full access is just $19 a month, and that's a founder rate, locked for life. It never goes up. You get all 6 research tools, support for 6 languages, English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, and Portuguese, and a 7-day free trial with no credit card required. Compare that to the $47 to $99 that competitors charge. Stop publishing blindly. Head to kdpradar.com right now and start your free 7-day trial. No credit card needed. One profitable niche found with KDP Radar pays for months of subscription. The link is in the description below. KDP Radar, built for publishers who want data, not guesswork.